Hakajele ke Sorkar jela ban penklanya ki lat Ïada na ke jingwan rung kertap ki Mynder syakani ke jela ke Sorkar jela ke don menta hakajing Bishar lakan si Bniat shu pat penbet thamai ya ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act lani ban Wanrah sendon da ke an bathamai pura. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hakajan met jong khandai tre unaitung araja arpusan uba pol lingdo ubadi khmi ikatanat social welfare bat nong aiktien ke Sorkar MDA2 ulaong bakaladan ke jingakran hakajialang badangshan bala khli dau ba preston ten song sumbot menteri rangba ubadi pe ikatanat kampo ying hakabawladan lang na lor Kawei pat ki he officer banya merging mod halor kani kaman
3 days back the deputy CM in charge home had convened a meeting at his level where I was also present, and we discussed about giving the MRSSA more teeth. We are looking at the option of either amending the act, answering to the queries. There are 2 queries raised by the Honorable Governor. We will respond to those queries, and we have also taken up the possibility of either amending the MRSSA or coming up with an entirely new legislation which will focus entirely on the subject of ensuring safety to travelers in Meghalaya, also keeping in view the changing dynamics, the geopolitical scenario, the rising cases of infiltration from Bangladesh, the rise of Islamic forces inimical to India in that country. All these will be areas of concern which will inform our effort to give the MRSSA more teeth or to come up with an entirely new act. Those were relating to whether having a facilitation center will impede the flow of traffic, whether it will result in harassment. Then there was also this bit about part of the MRSSA which mentions antisocial elements. So what is the definition of antisocial elements? Those were the queries.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Wanrah shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya